Okay, so looking at this one, I'm going to determine that this is probably a good place to start from. Now, I could start from here at the bottom since I do know the distance going this direction and I do know the height of this. And we can also figure out the length of our first line if we add our 5 and the 1.5, and remember that we're going to have another 1.5 which is located here. So that'll tell me how long this line is. 5 plus 1.5 plus another 1.5 is 8. And then we can use the rectangular method to get us back down to this point, and from here we'll be able to create most of our shape going around. Okay, so let's go ahead and switch to AutoCAD and see if we can accomplish this. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to start with the line command, locate my first point, turn my ortho mode on, go this direction a distance of 8, and now I need to come down and come to the left. So remember that going to the left is a negative and going down is negative when I'm using the rectangular method. So I'll type in minus 1.5 comma minus 1.5. Okay, so let's go to the right a distance of 2.5. Let's go up at a height of 2.5. Come back to the left here, a distance of 10. Let's go down 2.5. To the right 2.5. And then finally close. Let's locate our circle. So let's choose the circle center diameter. I'm just going to touch this midpoint and I'm going to track off of it a distance of 3.5, has a diameter of 7. Let's put a circle with a center diameter located at the center of this circle. So remember, if you're not getting the center mark to show up, just touch the arc of your circle and then click on that center, and the diameter is 4. Let's create a line from this endpoint, and I'm shifting and right clicking to the tangent of this line. Let's do that on the other side. Line, select this endpoint, hold down the shift button and right click, let go of the shift button, select tangent, and then click on the arc of that circle. And escape twice, and that should get you out of the command.